Hey guys, it's Mark, and welcome again to the lifestyle portion of the channel. We're going to take a look at another Ridge 2.0 wallet. This one, the brand new 2026 Year of the Fire Horse. Take a look at that beauty right there. Now, Year of the Fire Horse is part of the Chinese zodiac, specifically the 60-year sexagenary cycle. However, this year holds significant culture weight in both Chinese and Japanese traditions. In China, it represents intensity, energy, and freedom occurring every 60 years. Now, in Japan, while rooted in the Chinese calendar, is treated with superstition, often leading, get a load of this, to a drop in birth rates during this particular year. Now, for 2026, I present to you this new Ridge 2.0 wallet, as you can tell with this black outer sleeve that you've got on the box. It's going to say Ridge on the sides. We'll flip this around. Really, really nicely done. Absolutely gorgeous first-class packaging you expect for a $150 wallet. Now guys, take off the outer sleeve and you get the standard black box. Pull that off and look at this. Is this not freaking gorgeous or what? Oh, this is just spectacularly done. Textured. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, the wallet itself. Absolutely amazing. Now, this is an intricate horse design that is laser engraved. Yes, guys, this has texture. You can feel it running across it. And it's filled with gold oil. It's paired with matching gold hardware. You can see the gold screws there. And aluminum gold inner aluminum RFID blocking panels. And of course, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the really cool red and gold sticker that comes with it as well. Now, folks, I'm going to assume you know everything there is about a Ridge wallet. This, of course, is aluminum. I did mention it's laser engraved, oil filled. I'm going to try to zoom in and just show you. Just look at the texture of that. Look how spectacular that is. Absolutely beautifully done. And as I mentioned, one benefit I really think that Ridge gets right are the screws, which are not only functional, but they're ornamental. Just look at the texturing on the outer lines of the panel. The ridge, gold in the corner, absolutely freaking gorgeous. Now here's a cool look at the cash strap plate. Also engraved, outlined in gold, beautifully done, spectacular looking piece of hardware. Guys, and then of course there is the gold inner panels that you can see there. And notice the slight indentations that you have there on the inner panels. That I think is how they reduced weight on this, making it part of the Ridge 2.0 collection. I'm going to show you one other thing that is significant. Now guys, if you take a look at the cash strap panel that you have on here, notice that it has outer borders. And those borders are actually raised. This gives it a lip. Now add the strap on top of that, and you've got a really comfy zone there to protect that from drops and contact with things, unless you make absolutely direct contact with it. It's really I think it's one of the advantages of the Ridge 2.0 wallet. Absolutely beautifully done. Of course, also note that you have the serial number there on the side of it. You can use that referencing for if you ever need warranty replacement or parts. Remember, this is guaranteed for life. Now, guys, I've dropped that about 3 or 4 times, and you can notice the sound it makes. If I take a standard, and I'm actually going to do another video on the advantages of the 2.0 wallet. The cash strap is a significant, I think it's a significant upgrade to the wallet, as it ensures that the part that's probably going to get scratched the most has a better chance of not getting scratched and torn up for use. And guys, I have several. In fact, I'm currently using 2 Ridge 2.0 wallets that I'm carrying with me every day. I rotate them every other day. They're both 2.0. They're in my pockets all the time, and they look absolutely spectacular. So guys, that's going to wrap up this video of the Year of the Fire Horse. As I mentioned, this is available on the Ridge website for $150. I have not seen it go on sale, but they always do have discounts on it, so there's a chance to get it for less than its price. And you can also check eBay, even though sometimes, particularly with a new wallet like this, the sellers there are trying to gouge as much as they can out of it. I've seen this going for as much as $250, $100 off Ridge retail price, which is just absolutely absurd. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this wallet. See you next time.